us to flip it back over.
Old clapped out. We just did the short course race. It was fun. We got our short course race out here. Trevor from UTV Invasion's getting ready to get things going. They're doing, I think, 3 or 4 heats of 5 or 6 cars per heat. Top 2 go to the finals. This is the stock class, and then they'll do the pro class. Dang, that RC car crushed them. This dude is crushing the competition. Oh! Oh!
Wrecker or no wrecker?
We got them rolled over. They let them go again. They're going to restart them all. When someone wrecks, they're doing a restart. So I don't know how many restarts we're getting today. What do you think, 10?
I think there's going to be a handful of restarts.
Good one. Who's getting it? Oh! Oh, he gets hit. Dude in front just wrecked. They did a restart, he's back in front. Man, the dust. Dude, if you're in like second or third to last, you're screwed. Pretty much between these two. The Turbo S is on him. Oh, oh, mad props. I think he's got him. He pitched him off. Mad props to the Turbo S. He had to get that. He had to get that. It was top 2 move on, and so. RC and Turbo S move to the finals in the Sportsman. Oh! That's heat 2. Second heat. Oh, he's gonna get him. Nice, he got him.
There you go, pass it.
Here goes heat 3. Oh, Oh, Chickadera he got pinned. Hole shot killer there. Oh, Whiskey throttles car. Already. That was an aggressive one. RC get another hole shot? The RC show today. Like every one of them's been an RC that's gotten a hole shot. I heard a belt squeak there. Ooh, that was close. He almost. Oh, Chickadera's going. Get some. He's looking. He's only got to get one more guy. He can just coast it home if he chooses to. Got another RC winning in the Sportsman class. That was the car to own today, apparently. The RC Can-Am. Back to back. Oh, he dug some sand with that nose. I think I got a little PTSD watching all these guys get smashed in the starts. So, as you can tell, I got a horrible hole shot. Also, I only had 2-wheel drive working, not 4-wheel drive. And I was heavy on the left and it turns immediately to the right, but it was still a great time. The only problem is I got stuck in last and then I got dusted out. Me and BB, I mean, we couldn't see a thing. Honestly, I thought someone crashed in front of BB because he just stopped for like 10-15 seconds. But it was just because he couldn't see a thing. Great time though. I love racing. Just got to figure out how we can get pivot out in the middle of the sand dunes. I just don't know how that's going to happen, but I'm going to have to start doing some rain dances or something. Here's the final for the Sportsman class. There's your leader. final for the pro class. Dang! You were doing good? Oh, there. Wow. Yeah, there's a big difference on Frankie clearing it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I don't know if it's a commitment issue or just a setup. That's what. It's commitment, dude. Yeah.
Partially commitment slash
Frankie wasn't
speed.
slowing down. The other guy slowed down a little.
He's got it. The guy's trying to come for it though. Oh, every time. Winner for the day. It's going slow this time. Frankie gets the overall win, Matt Props.